Ask me now. I am my shift.
Don't touch me.
Okay, good.
So don't touch me. I have some question for you.
Yes.
Yes. So many people have told me about this, that when Indians are trying to come in, you are telling them that we are full.
Yeah.
But when the foreigners are trying...
He is pointing at a board which is saying that we are prioritizing foreigners. And he is proud of that they are prioritizing foreigners.
Let's discuss.
First read this. I'm talking with you.
Ask me.
So
Ask me now. I am my shift.
don't touch me.
Okay, good.
So don't touch me. Stay away. I'm asking him.
No. Now my shift. So
okay,
you can speak with me.
Okay, I'm
Let's
speaking
go.
with you. I'm speaking here. I'm not going there. I'm speaking here.
No.
So is it a fair thing that you are organizing this in India and not allowing Indians to go inside?
No, it's not true. Actually, our festival for everyone.
Huh.
But we giving priority in evening time to foreigner visitors because this festival was organized for welcoming and explain Indian culture with those who don't have connection with Indian culture. So our festival is open for everyone.
But why you are doing this in India then? Why you don't do it in Europe? All the foreigners are there only. Here, why to come here and organize this and say this thing, we are organizing this for foreigners?
Sure.
Do it in Europe. All the foreigners are only there.
Of course.
Yes.
So many foreigners who already interested with this culture, you know. We just want to connect them with taste of bhakti, taste of kirtan.
Okay, so you don't want to connect Indians. You like doing it in India, saying this thing, we want to connect foreigners.
You already make...
But at the same time, if the registration is not required, and then you stop Indians, okay, you can't go, we are full, and then you ask foreigners to walk by, isn't it insulting?
No,
It's not
totally no.
insulting.
Totally no.
If it's happening,
chance.
happening in your country, they stop you and allow people from other countries. Is it
more?
insulting?
You don't give me to talk. Excuse me, I don't want to talk anymore.
So that's
You
what.
don't give me
so
chance
that's what they
to talk.
have. That's
give me chance to talk. Sorry. Visit our festival. Welcome.
That's the thing. They ask everybody is welcomed. But when you go there, only sport registration is possible and place gets full for Indians very fast, and on their face the foreigners can go inside. How they must be feeling, you decide that.
So how just it is, you just let us know in the comments.